Guys, it's Mia and happy Memorial Day, and today we are filming the fireworks that are going on right now. And this is a vlog. It's been a while since I've done
Kara.
one. Yeah. Autumn. We got a little dog over here. He's afraid of the fireworks.
Where is Jasmine?
I think
Jasmine's still playing it.
Yeah, don't play that, Jasmine. She's not enough. Well, that was it.
My hand.
The stash of fireworks.
You went like this.
Welcome back. Light it up, light 'em up, I'm on fire. That was like horrible.
Oh, that's like a little close. Oh, I'm sorry.
We are a little close.
You guys see the person like together, but it's look like they're one.
So I hope you guys know what Memorial Day is about. And this is honoring my dad as well. Yes, I just said that.
You want to light all the rest of them?
I do.
Yes, I do.
Oh, it's popping. Can I light up one? Not done yet. This is the firework I'm lighting up. Crazy kid. This is Kara's firework.
That's not Jasmine.
It pretty much matches her nails. Mia's having trouble lighting a lighter.
Okay, pause it, Kara. I almost got it.
Okay, but be careful. Keep your...
And then just press it down to the red.
I think a spark went on me. I'm so scared right now. I got this. You gotta do it really hard to me, like as hard as you can. Come on, you're a cheerleader. You can do this.
Start up here. You have them on the top. Yeah. And then you gotta do it fast and hard.
I got it. Okay, hurry up before... But you gotta do it when you get closer to the fireworks. And make sure you run fast. I got burned a little.
Got it?
Let me like position this where... I remember on 4th of July last year I had...
Move back, Jasmine. I tried not to get burned over here.
So this is also going to be my video.
Oh, come on.
What you doing, Deidre? Watch out, Jazzy. I'll do it.
I've been doing it so many times. Okay. Short-lived. I'm going to try this again. No,
watch out
put the camera on.
The camera's been on.
Oh.
Here, I'll try to get my shot out of the way. There we go. Jasmine.
Move away, can't see, please. I don't want to get burned. I don't want to be the one who gets burned over here. Ah.
What's going on? Jasmine, get away from me.
Jasmine, get back!
Get away! I
Ooh.
did it!
What is this?
Firework over here! You're my firework! That's mine.
Ooh, change the blue. White. It looks blue on the screen at first, but... Holy shoot. Jasmine, get back. Don't eat it.
Goodbye.
Mia.
Goodbye.
I need the hose. No, don't.
It's... Is that it?
I used the lighter. Yay!
Autumn.
And I burned myself.
How? How can you burn your...
Big firework. It got me. Here. I did it!
Yes.
Is that it?
No, there's no more.
Really?
Really?
All right.
Well, goodbye, guys. And tomorrow we're going another vlog, and it's gonna be we're gonna be making a dessert, and it's from Quake and Bake. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
And we also might have a vlog of having...
A water balloon fight. Bye.
We might. Bye. See you guys. Hold on, guys. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, firework day.
Bye.